Yes.
This one is study, you study.
Yeah.
Practical. Let's say, for instance, my distant cousin MB Pam said for Ministry of Agriculture, Maurice Ogulu. This kind of discussion suppose go hold up with them. I don't know what the Commissioner of Agriculture. I'm sure.
Yeah.
We get agriculture.
Yeah.
Who?
I don't know the name, but there is.
This kind of discussion was supposed to get out with them so that we will begin to look at the positives of what River State can begin to produce. With a funky for here, we find which we go fit produce peacefully.
And the sport.
Because the governor seems saying a peace. We are tired of producing trouble and export packaging trouble, exporting trouble. We want something we can put together where when we put together and export, they could be waiting to help people. But just give us 10 minutes, make this woman her time, she paid for this. And this is
Commercial.
This is commercial. I'm not going to just take her. We'll come back to practicals. Practicals.
I'm here.
All right, madam. Good morning. Your time is start now.
Good morning.
No Russia. Why the Russia now?
Hi,
babe.
Don't waste our time. Don't waste our time.
Good morning.
Good morning. Yeah, what's up?
So go ahead.
I'm fine. Good
What
morning,
who are
everybody.
you?
My name is Jennifer.
You follow.
Jennifer Ejogu from Capital City Development Limited.
Okay.
Like we know every Friday we'll always come here and
At
talk to people.
times Friday, no, don't
In a pursue us.
Yes, yes. This is the last Friday on our Facebook. Next Friday we have something.
Wahala. So we always come talk to people about real estate. But this particular day, I like happiness for my belly. Butterfly in my belly. Yes. Tomorrow.
Because Nigeria is South Africa, everything.
Everybody joy food the country.
My something, yeah.
Joy food the country. Oh. So tomorrow, in that spirit of that joy now, we will allocate plots to our clients.
Wow.
We don't buy properties from us. So for Owerri, for Umaya, for Port Harcourt, for Lagos, Epe. So tomorrow we give out plots. You know, say one thing not to buy land.
Yes.
Another thing not to see what you buy.
And collect them.
Yes.
Before we come here story.
You know, shooting bird mama fly. Before you hear say the land where you buy in day here. If you don't get leg, you don't work out. So for Capital City tomorrow, we show you say from this beacon to this beacon now your own. From this one to this one, give you your documents, your certificates of allocation, everything. Now, what will they do tomorrow? So we want to use this opportunity to say thank you to everybody who trust our process. Thank you to everybody who trust our business. You know, when notice say we go scam them, when notice say we go carry their money wrong.
We follow now with church mind.
Yes, we follow us with their church mind. So this morning we say thank you for trusting Capital City Development Limited. And if you hear me this morning, you still get doubts for your mind. I don't want to buy land and they fear. No fear. Tomorrow we allocate to over 1,000 persons.
Yes. Wow.
Yes.
We don't pay.
Wow.
We don't pay. We don't pay finish.
When they pay?
We don't pay.
Different payment plan there now. Some people pay within 3 months, some pay within 6 months, some pay within 1 year.
And some people pay outrightly.
Some people pay once. You know, say all fingers are not equal.
Politicians will pay once.
That's so nice. You too will pay once. So if you hear us this morning and you won't get land, just call me this morning on 090 60,000 360 090 60,000 361. I will take the number again. 090 60,000 360 090 60,000 361. And I was also beg you if you listen to me. Here just the start. You know, it's very important. Say you don't plan out your year. I want to advise us to keep procrastination this year. No matter anything you want to do, whether a land you want to buy or whether a house you want to build or anything where you want to do, keep procrastination this year because procrastination is a killer of time.
Yes, so
that land where you don't say I go buy tomorrow. By that tomorrow the land don't appreciate.
Don't be only land, sir.
Everything you want to do.
I go buy yam day for yesterday. Now I go yesterday, don't cry 500.
That be the thing. Because say you buy, you know now that extra cost where you pay now when you know buy that land, that is a cost of inaction.
Inaction.
Yes, the cost where you got extra cost.
Action.
Yes. Now be that thing. So when they tell people avoid this year, not be just land like you talk. For everything where you want to do, avoid procrastination. buy that land, build that house, pay your children school fees now. School fees fee increase, nobody know. Nigeria.
Whether it fits, you know, they fit. It they increase.
Somehow.
It fit.
So make everybody, you know, sit upright. Capital city development.
So capital city, yes. We're not going to allocate land tomorrow for people who don't pay.
Yes, sir.
Then what about the land no go finish?
This land you not go finish.
If you allocate tomorrow,
you know, say
you still have more land.
If that
after tomorrow
like the one where they allocate for Ipo, for that airport road, IV estate, that estate is sold out.
Sold out?
Yes.
Completely?
Sold out.
So?
Yes. So people will get land for that side now. They don't start to the fence. They don't start to do something for their land. So that place now, we don't sell land.
Finish. They don't finish. Which other place will never finish? No,
we'll get plenty places will never finish.
Okay.
You know, say we just launch one for opposite Salvation Ministries, our new heaven. If you go there, that one really heaven.
There's Salvation Ministry people that Kukuma from there cross over and that heaven.
So we get different locations. Yes, we get for MC for I Junction, buy, build and parking. We also get our Gold Town Estate, that one day for Erimbolo, for Rumodumaya Road. Just that new road roundabout. From that 2 minutes from that new road roundabout, now the other one day. We got another one for airports. We not just get for Port Harcourt like I talk. We get for Owerri, Asaba, Uyo, Oka, Lagos, Abuja. We get for different locations.
And I get for Opobo.
For where?
Opobo.
Opobo don't be rivers.
Na Rivers, I
don't Opobo no be Rivers.
Na Rivers State.
We are different from Rivers State.
No way now. My brother, we are the same.
Federal Republic of Opobo.
So we get land for all these locations. And tomorrow now, our site inspection. That tomorrow now, they carry people for free. You know, we'll pay us anything. We'll just come to our office for 31 GU Ake Road, Eliozu, Port Harcourt. 31 GU Ake Road.
That's as you climb down from that
Eliozu flyover, just beside that church.
By the right.
Yes. Now we have our office there. So you go just come there, we'll carry you go. So if you won't come, call us now on 090 60,000 360. 090 60,000 361. If you follow us through on our social media handles, Capital City Development Limited on Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter. Yes.
All right. So your office, they ask you from Air Force, climb that Eliozu Bridge. As you come down by the right,
yes,
you will see one building there.
Yes,
Capital City Estate.
Yes.
And our office with that.
Yes.
What time will people will come there?
Our site inspection time at 8 in the morning.
So people go to your office by 8.
8:30 latest. 8:30. Motor they move.
Okay.
Because we don't want to make sun come out, come to hit our clients.
Okay. So that before sun go hot.
Yes, we
don't inspect finish.
Yes.
How many buses?
But tomorrow na allocation you talk, abi? So na enjoyment.
No, you say allocation and inspection.
Everything, Jabarata.
That's allocation now. I want to.
We dey do allocation. We dey do inspection.
That's allocation now.
Allocation.
I want to allocation.
Isn't allo inspection? Food, Jabarata, everything.
Person will come up for house very early. Make the wife never prepare food finish. You go come carry hungry return.
For which
no,
one?
They say food Jaburata. I know they hear. Now the only thing we go carry me go there.
Which kind of food?
Goat meat. What you go roast? Bush meat.
Goat meat na food.
It's a goat food.
Garri no dey. Goat meat no be food.
No be goat meat, you go be meat for top garri.
Not be meat. See, let us differentiate this thing. There is meat and there is food.
Garri and soup go there.
And how they talk?
So now because of garri and soup you won't come. So if you won't come because of garri and soup, like
to see the inspection,
to see the land.
And the talk of hunger.
Still come.
What time they talk now?
When una go finish the inspection? What time?
Latest 11:30.
Okay, no need for garri by that time. By that time,
so we know, but no, people like you may like to eat garri. We still there.
Are you sure?
So call us.
No promise me something. I reach there, no see.
When they talk about capital city,
I beg. The number once again.
No, but still get 2 minutes.
090.
She get 2 minutes.
60,000 360. 090 60,000 361. I will take the number small. 090 60,000 360.
Correct.
090
60,000 naira
361. And our office again at 31 GU Ake Road, Eliozu, Port Harcourt.
So who fit come that tomorrow? Who fit come join una?
Everybody fit come.
Man, woman, children. Can children come?
You know, as a parent, you go fit buy land for your children. It's very important.
So the children should come.
If you want carry your pikin now, you know now.
No, pikin wey don reach 18 years.
Of course, that one
18 years no be pikin.
Na pikin.
Wow.
That one no be
For
children.
Nigeria, na pikin. Na for America, wey 18 years no be pikin.
That one no be children again.
All right, so you say tomorrow they go allocate.
Yes.
Say wetin you pay for na it be this o. Wetin you collect money for your hand o na it be this o.
Small.
Finish.
We dey allocate to all the people wey don buy from us.
End
That's
of
something wey we dey do all the time. But tomorrow own go dey very loud because we dey do am simultaneously in other locations, not just in Port Harcourt.
Yes. Where una get like Owerri, Asaba, Opobo, and
Umuahia, Lagos, yes, Abuja. So tomorrow na like general allocation.
General.
So if you buy property from us,
Capital
tomorrow
City
na allocation, Capital City Development Limited. Remember, say we'll be your number one for all things real estate. We don't stay the test of time. Nothing like running kitty, nothing like running kata if you invest with us. And today, remember, say person like Jennifer tell you, say keep procrastination. That's the way you want to do them now. No time. Time waits for nobody.
You don't buy.
Me?
Jennifer, I don't buy.
Oh, wow.
Sorry, leave that matter.
I feel like I'm not doubt now.
Nothing like that. See, well, wow.
You forget that person.
We know guess what.
So I need to sell it to nobody.
They are not like signboard. You know, be signboard.
Somebody carry my document. They
want put up on phone.
Ma put my document for my phone.
What if they take the phone?
They'll go
do like that. Landed property don't tell you do like that.
Jennifer. Your time don't pass. You don't chop our 1 minute.
Come they go. No time.
Make you say chop our 1 minute. We are happy.
Come they go. So let us don't
be. My color sign the chase me.
Now so.
Time don't pass. Should I get this station? Forever stop shouting. Since we know we
Jennifer.
Thank you.
So see you tomorrow. Capital City.
Now we tomorrow. Let's have
bye.
It's peaceful. All right, Jennifer. Thank you so much for coming.
Stay
peaceful.
I do the best.
Calm down.
No rush.
I want to Who with us?
No, it's myself.
So what is it?
I'm not starting with you now. You raise shots for me.
Snap alone, no. And now your color. All right. Now, commercial don't pass. So, Mr. Elojo, are you engineer or doctor or Mr. Which one would you like to answer?
Relax. There's no peace at the byland.
So, which one?
Mr.
Now, let's come to nitty-gritty. What is possible? Now, to investment, a government like Rivers State government, what can we start with? Do we have enough bamboo right now in the state to actually go into any of these angles where we will give the state money, employs our youths, our brothers, our sisters, and get them involved in commercial viable aspect of the bamboo? Now I want to know.
Thank you for the question. It is very important to tell Rivers people this morning that the potential there for bamboo is very, very huge. In the forward and backward decades, we can create over 100,000 jobs.
What? I'm talking, these are your studies, you know the talk study.
I've studied before, but I know the
what is possible now,
as it is.
As in today?
Yes. You know, when you want to do this kind of project, you don't just do all of them at once.
Yes.
So you do them in stages and in phases. You know? So the first phase that you look at is just to train people in bamboo technology.
Training?
Yeah. Training, planting.
And planting.
Then we will now start using what is in the forest because of the sustainability.
Okay.
Yeah, because of the sustainability. What is the ones in the wild now? You start using them, you know. Okay. While this one is growing, because bamboo is the fastest growing plant on earth.
Wow, fastest.
The fastest growing plant on earth. The 100 days bamboo is up there.
100 days.
100 days.
3 months.
Yes. So, but the only thing that is going to be there, it depends on the species and the mechanical properties of the bamboo, because the lignin, the mechanical properties of bamboo. That is the hardening, how it will be hard. You know?
Okay, when it's make it mature.
Enough,
okay.
You know, yes. So, you see, like I said before, out of the 1,500 species. In this part of the world, we have about 500 species. Which is for the tropical type. And then that in itself, I mean, in River State, you can comfortably say we can plant over.
Okay, Mass.
Wait,
now make him point. I won't go straight to make him point.
Go ahead, please.
Okay, I ask you.
Go ahead.
You don't give us the terminology, the definition, the everything. Tell us now, as we did here, Governor Sim, they listen. Tell us now for River State. He say Ogoni, now get the highest bamboo for Niger Delta. I don't go doubt you now your study. Now this bamboo, they live for bush.
Yeah.
Tell us what you will feel gain now.
Not what did I ask now away?
No,
outside. Listen now.
I know you're American.
You were outside now. Why did you take off?
I know you're about.
You just said this same question I asked.
No, for this
Now
day.
ask. Repeat.
You
know here don't mean saying no matter talking now.
Must you hear the answer? No.
Are you
Don't
make
make confession.
No, don't do this.
Okay.
Now you said
May I answer my question? This conversation don't go well.
he has just said it now.
Okay,
I'll come back to it.
Okay, you tell me what you talk.
You say what is possible now. 1, training. 2, planting. So that when we use the one we already did,
The
they
forest.
don't go finish before we go get to use another one.
Yes.
Good.
Babu they grow like plantain.
Insect in 3 months.
I tell you, I see bamboo. They see bamboo.
Is the fastest.
They grow a plantain.
Wait,
If you cut them, bam. For the body, they don't bring out things and things. Not me.
Okay.
Is the fastest.
Now,
Very good. That's
okay.
bamboo.
I agree with you.
Yeah.
The quantities where they already
with
now.
bamboos.
The quantity where they already now.
Yeah.
Why I'm asking this question is, if we say we want to do clothing line for the bamboo,
That's how we not get it.
if you don't get it, you go bring that.
For this house,
You go bring that.
as our assembly, no agree.
No, but on a serious note, Mike, I want us to start from the
Don't
basic,
look that side.
You
Marcus
know?
and Mule, no agree.
Eh?
Don't look that area.
I want us to look at it from
Then no first.
Mike.
Oh,
I want us to look at it.
No first.
I want to talk right you.
I just remind you say, Marcus and Mule, no agree. Make bamboo. Make grow for it. I will just, let you know, the masses are no give me bamboo. But they use bamboo do shoe. You don't pass.
Echo wear the food.
You don't pass assembly. You don't go walk home. Talk to who, you don't go plug, do sharp, they sell things to. You don't go assembly.
The thing is this. Apart from the one that you say you want to
Lift clothes. What is the most primary thing you can do that will not pass through the assembly? No vex. Any small way you meet say,
you know, bamboo.
me and you fit to just hold money. You understand?
There plenty.
Just tell us that one. If this side you go,
You can start.
something now.
You can start things like skewers. Skewers that they use for barbecue.
That barbecue stick.
That barbecue stick. They import
God
them.
bless you.
All those supermarkets.
Nigeria they import
They
those.
import
Excuse me, barbecue stick.
Yes.
They are
About those ones are
Skewers
what they do.
No, those ones that the pack of it go to any supermarket in Nigeria.
What do you mean? For
For
barbecue.
barbecue. The skewers
No, no.
that they use. I'm telling you now.
Wait, you get the stick. Okay, that one is
Skewers.
You get the stick where they take put for ice fish. Wow.
No, those
Inside,
ones
take go roaster.
those-
Bamboo go fit do am for us.
Sure, why not?
Let's go that side.
Okay, see, okay.
Skewers, toothpick, the basic small
Those
things.
small
You see,
things.
you look at, like we say, there's ornamental bamboo. Those ones don't grow tall. And you use them, they are very, very beautiful.
We are using this for scaffolding now.
For gardening,
It's working scaffolding.
for as flowers.
Okay, okay, I want to ask you
Okay,
a
yeah, I want
question at the front. Now, as no verse, now make first result. This will get plenty bamboo then we don't carry those scaffold,
Yeah.
where we don't condemn.
Yeah.
Are those ones condemned for
They're not
condemnation?
condemnable.
What
They're not
is
condemnable.
possible so that because if you
See,
go
those
dry
ones,
ones,
you can use them, eh?
this
dry
one
ones,
will be bamboo full everywhere where they
Yeah.
sell
Good.
and they hire scaffold everything.
You can use them. now to create employment, you know, in the sense that
the one where they don't use for scaffold.
where they don't detroit.
Where they want to where they want
Yes,
bomb.
you can use them for biochar. There's what we call biochar.
What is biochar?
Biochar is
Biochar.
Biochar, B-I-O-C-H.
No one, just tell us.
Biochar is the process of carbonizing like bamboo or wood without adding, in the process of burning it, carbonization, you don't add too much air into it, you know.
What does that?
It doesn't have too much oxygen. It will burn for a long time and it comes out in form of charcoal.
Charcoal.
Yeah, for
big,
barbecue.
big charcoal for
Yeah,
barbecue.
so
Those also they don't use any harassment, don't touch charcoal. If we just light fire, cut fire, light fire,
inside
touch
carbonization equipment.
So
burn them.
how carbonization equipment there? Whether we construct a
you can even build it locally by using bricks. One brick, you know.
One brick,
yes. And one in long line, you know, and just.
And put the bamboo inside.
And
Make
you burn
it
for
fire.
3 days.
3 days. Allow him talk now. Very man. Allow the man talk now. They don't give us something. They pass through mountains and mountains. Sorry.
Charcoal. That's what I ask you.
With bamboo.
Now, I notice even furniture now, how design. Many people now they use bamboo.
You don't take since cane chairs.
All those things.
Cane chairs.
No, cane chairs different from bamboo.
Rattan and bamboo.
Okay, rattan.
That's rattan.
Yeah.
Those are how they take do cage.
Yeah.
Use it for bed. When they showcase.
That's like rattan.
Now, so what is the possibility now to use these bamboo now inside furniture past the normal wood?
Can we use
I have
it?
a project now, you know. Yeah.
What about the bamboo?
No, we're trying to federal.
Your mouth didn't microphone at all.
Yeah, federal Ministry of Trade and Industry.
Okay, don't go further already.
You
You know, here from beginning, saying we will not hear anything.
No.
Continue. What's the project?
She said a group, you know, across the country, you know, and we just inaugurated River State chapter some weeks ago. And part of the group, our neighbor want to see how we can go from local government to local government, incorporating these groups. Now, Onega has a group there that are into craft, and they are doing well with furniture, you know.
With bamboo?
Yes. We are just experimenting with my own group and trying to.
Okay, so now if we call you now, go meet Governor Singh.
How
you
you
go present?
call and go give Governor Singh?
In the year now.
And you tell us say Governor dey here. No tell us say you kind of go. No go promise what you know if you do.
I know
You
promise.
go fit cross that government house gate
if
if you no pass assembly.
you know, Martin, so.
If you don't
So, my brother,
Yeah.
the one where they important, we know say they go government side, which is large scale, commercial scale. But the ones where me and you if you just do around with this bamboo. Eh?
no let her answer the
Because once the bamboo
project
get
wey say
focus
dey
for this state, now people like us, all of us go say, okay, instead of we to go plant corn, more go plant bamboo.
Since they grow fast.
Since they grow fast, but if we not begin get things and things, apart from scaffolding in great quantity, and they have, because the rod now, that kind of rod where they take do scaffolding, don't near them.
No, you pay higher scaffolding.
It cost past the bamboo.
Well.
And the bamboo there, it's very durable. I say now, go fix and do
In Hong Kong, up to 100-story buildings.
now bamboo, and those guys they're light. They don't big like
They don't get power.
if you can make my class bamboo, I don't know whether it will last.
No,
without the
bamboo is called the gentle steel, you know.
Yeah.
The tensile strength of bamboo is very, very flexible.
Yeah, right. Chinese people they use and do karate.
The tensile strength is very, very strong.
Sorry. So
even if you take a climb it, will not fall.
I don't go fall like that.
Yeah.
Now, so give us A, B, C. What to fit?
sorry you be the talk consultant of your
No.
project wey you do with bamboo furniture so you don't finish that one.
We are building bamboo furniture, we are building so medicine chairs and all that. You know. But we are looking at the possibility of going into using bamboo for schools in River State. Schools, primary school, secondary school.
How?
You know.
What do you mean by that? Where they learn bamboo?
No, for them, for their school desk and all that. That they
Okay,
write on,
okay.
School chair.
Okay,
and
school
table.
chairs.
Bamboo.
Yes. Yes.
We not go straight now but they make the hand dey right
They will shake now.
If you see it, you will not believe it.
wow.
By the time we finish.
Okay, now apart from government, there could be one or two major.
Make it conclude this.
Oh,
Conclude and I will discuss another thing. See, and the matters I don't let it call you now.
Let the Martins they call me now.
A former big man.
A big man, he's still a big man.
It's a former big man. Go outside! Go outside! Go discuss with her. It's a former big man, sir. Go outside!
Distract to show. So now for
Very good.
for school.
No, don't do now.
Very good.
What happened? Oh, I put that for speaking
You
about
want
it.
to to bamboo now, give her. Oga, ma put you live on radio. What did you say, sir?
Bamboo talks.
You're on radio now, sir.
With a vessel.
Thank you.
I will give you the guy number.
In bamboo business.
We are
yes.
partners, so
He said no go to bamboo, nine strong pass.
He said no go to bamboo
So
be the highest.
Ogonibo can plant bamboo.
correct. This thing.
Correct.
This is working for.
You don't get one contact.
Thank you, sir.
You
That,
don't get one
that, that was
contact.
where I was going to. Say, apart from government, what are the possibilities of individuals? That was the question I wanted to ask.
Now me ask am, no be you.
Many Derek just
Nah,
put
that
it
is
from my
right.
mouth. Now many Derek
What we
also,
give to
former executive director of finance NDDC,
Former.
former many things.
In the like 7
And Ogoni man, in the once in Ogoni, I don't know saying in the listen. I see Ogoni, in the carry anything Ogoni play. So he wants to partner with. This is an example of somebody who wants to partner with you in this line of bamboo.
In this bamboo.
Is it possible that other individuals, black government, they hear something?
No, they don't.
They yeah.
They
How
hear,
can you
but
take?
no, they hear, but they are.
They don't agree.
No, it's not possible.
It's possible.
This is past
from
through.
Amechi time.
It doesn't mean.
Amechi don't do monorail.
You know what I mean?
That bamboo for carrying the monorail.
Excuse me.
The strength of a bamboo.
You know how many
would have carried the monorail.
You know how many prophets
Amechi
when we want to release
Bamboo
the
race.
children of Israel for Egypt?
No,
You know what?
No prophet.
Moses come
only
from.
God.
You know how many ways
Don't that rubbish. No one
You know how
try.
did
Now
that
God
be?
direct.
Then try.
Now God direct. Nobody
So
try.
if our brother try,
So
now
now will individuals? How can individuals come in? That's
do
the
quick.
question.
We
That's the
don't fit
question.
discuss the whole bamboo today. Do quick.
I will be quick.
How can individuals?
You
Imagine
know,
4 minutes.
We can start with things like furniture. We can start with cures. We can start with charcoal. This bamboo.
Okay, charcoal.
Yes, we can start with ornamental bamboo.
Bamboo no get water inside.
This is beer. Bamboo beer.
No. There's you know, as is the note as I said for
If you cut am small water dey come out.
for people
The
that are
fresh
into exploration, you know, when they go to explore in the jungle, especially in the Amazon, when they go, that's where they get bamboo water to drink.
That's what
From
I'm saying.
bamboo.
Yes. You store water in the note. If you cut it like this and put something, that's where you get water.
The water
Where you
will
get
come
water
out.
to drink.
Okay,
For that thing to
So you
send
get bamboo water.
Sorry, for the man.
You digress. Wait till I
Dragon
go.
boys like
Allow me
You
finish.
get what I want add.
I know where I want to go.
Bamboo go sell you.
Back to what we were saying. Before he rudely interrupted.
How can you say so? Stop that.
Huh?
You have
So
apologize.
individuals can come to you and you can collaborate with individuals to start these little ones first.
Sure.
And then plant, because I know that Derek Mene get a massive land for that place.
Planting,
Now, river.
planting is the core.
Don't get land.
Planting is the
Plenty.
core.
So if we are able to plant in 3 months, 100 days, we'll be able to get enough bamboos to go on onto something else.
It depends on actually on what you want to use it for. If you want to use for carbon credit or for shoots, you know they eat bamboo shoots.
In the chopper,
Yes.
who they eat them?
It's
Panda.
all over the world.
Panda.
If you go
Panda.
not only
Chinese
panda,
panda.
not only
Panda
panda.
chew, but bamboo die.
Women mean they chew bamboo.
Bamboo, people eat. That is the normal delicacy for us in China every day.
Bamboo.
Bamboo shoots.
You chop
the
and
one
swallow
that's
am.
coming out is fresh, you know, very.
Wait, you don't go for the corner.
You cut and chop and swallow.
That one coming out from.
I know now for the corner like
like
this.
it's small,
Eh.
fresh. If you cut it like this, you know, very very soft.
It dey help.
If you mix with fish or
It dey help, I think.
chicken.
You can get my something.
It has a lot of fiber.
I know where they
People that
go.
don't want to put on weight. That's what they eat, you know.
Wait to bamboo.
But
and
wait,
chop am.
though, a point of correction.
Mm.
Not every bamboo is edible.
Okay.
So you know the one that they chop.
Like
No,
the
why not?
species.
You see her for Guni. When you be you are the side.
No, I
You
didn't.
didn't look out
So
for that.
no chop that one.
No.
More Ogoni people no go.
No,
go chew down.
Don't eat
Chew down
bamboo.
the whole bamboo. But Ogoni fit bamboo fit be like chewing stick for Ogoni down. Chewing stick.
Okay, so there's bamboo chewing stick. Oh.
Okay, you talked about bamboo beer.
Yes.
How?
Now that one
Besides
concern
the technology.
Peter be not gonna like you.
Go through fermentation process and all that. They
Bamboo.
Yes, the small, the shoots coming out,
Mm.
Ferment it for some time.
China
Pulverize
guy,
it.
you don't get one connection. Eh?
What of bamboo broom?
Give him this
There's
thing.
a lot. There's
To
a lot.
do with
1,500. There's 1,000 items from bamboo. There's bamboo ice cream.
Governor,
Maybe
the bamboo ice cream.
Yes.
Ice cream. Governor Sim supposed to
Phone
take this guy.
Yeah.
He is supposed to be commissioner of agriculture. What happened? We don't get the commissioner. We don't get.
That's supposed
We don't get.
That's supposed.
Who is the commissioner for agriculture?
Is that for supposed?
We don't get. How can you, a pressman, don't know commissioner of agriculture name? He say we get. How? He say supposed.
No blame him now.
How?
Man, tell you what.
Matthews and Maywood.
Some resign. Only then one return. So
We don't.
you don't know how they return me.
We will go back to them. But after this, we will have to go back to the returnee.
Leave them.
Stop that.
We talked about them last
I
week.
see one.
We talked about
Unless
them
how
last
do I address you? Formal or incoming formal?
Oh, of course.
It's all this commissioner.
Going and coming
Just
from-
say,
now
all
going
this
and coming-
commissioner honorable. I say very good. I like that.
Going
I
and
see
coming
one.
commissioner.
My first call him. I say, come. Offer order. You are
All right, Elijah Joseph, we're happy to have you on Sunday for this kind of
Thank you
things.
so much, Michael.
This kind of things. Really
agricultural
when
information
you come, when you
is
come give us this information this morning, God bless you.
Thank you so much.
And we're
God
happy
bless you.
you're based in Port Harcourt here and your studies still there and all that. We
hope.
hope,
Like maybe sing that is calling.
we hope that the governor will hear. Let us get off from the regular thing.
Yes.
Can we get
Go for
into
something
something else that can employ people?
My problem is
that can help them.
My problem is the
Ogoni
Ogoni.
Ghana. The Ogoni people are wonderful people.
Nah, they are not cost.
So waiting.
I always my problem.
What is the problem?
But let me say something quickly.
The last time-
in my study, when I went to work, I worked in the forest for 3 months.
Ah.
Everybody was saying Ogoni are hostile and this and that.
You are going another side. God.
They were the most peaceful and good. They welcome me so much. And all that.
Do you wish to hear what we want to see?
Yes, sure.
But don't be fast. Your legs are too fast.
Okay.
The only issue I have with them is this. The last time we have a very laudable program.
Stop that.
Banana plantation.
Stop that.
We're going to say, I want monkeys. Now you have got to find another bamboo.
They were good with
Now we bamboo.
They have bamboo. They have bamboo.
Wait, not a problem. Now you don't go find bamboo. If governor go there now, another governor come the country, I want bamboos. I want bamboos. So it's bamboo that we gonna cut everybody bamboo. Banana was, they cut it, they burn it.
They regret them more.
That is the problem.
Now banana for don't go
If you see banana, we for
By now.
see Brazil for the look for Brazil is the highest banana suppliers in the world. We bring us banana from Brazil, the suckers. Yes, from Brazil.
Now Brazil, not China.
Brazil with China.
Now Chinese,
Brazil.
Now Chinese people
They
establish
go
the
plant
farm.
down. That no big, but the suckers they import them because they need highest like this and they don't grow past anywhere. Yeah, wait.
That kind of news don't they reach?
Man, that's the problem. Oh, let's go to bamboo again. You know, go near.
No, it doesn't have to be
Oga.
to be candid.
He says the best bamboo.
No, they have different
Oga. No,
Now the military is calling you. Okay.
You will not go outside.
Thank you for coming. If we have the opportunity to bring you again, we will on funky for this.
We will try. We'll try. You are doing well.
We like what you
You
have
say you
done
study
for
for China.
Yes.
Go back again.
So, as a matter of
Find another
fact,
thing,
we will find a way to see if we can pass
see
some of
the
these
government.
messages to people that are necessary.
Thank you very much.
But if they are not listening and all that, we will
Who's
also
the commissioner
encourage
for-
individuals.
You don't get in name.
We will invite
Is he
you.
existing?
Oh Jesus! That kind of wine.
Sorry, sir.
If they don't listen, we will be able to push and see if individuals can come in. And let's see how we can start small.
So the push will be push. What's our commission?
How they talk
So
now?
until you come again next time, we want to say thank you so much.
The
for
times have
coming.
been missionary.
Thank you so much. I'm grateful for this opportunity, for this platform.
See this
God
platform
bless
will
you.
give you the
Thank you so much.
highest.
Okay, when this platform, parallel platform you.
Read your news.
Remember
You
us
said
in your
Davis
kingdom.
lost for the news.
That's not in Babuna.
Remember us in your
Okay,
kingdom.
bye-bye.
Thank you so much.
All right,
Thank
you're
you all.
welcome, Oga.
Can you use bamboo to do hair cream? Because this one. Because the hair cream.
People they ask for your number plenty.
Oh,
Thank you so
yeah.
much.
It's
Yeah,
not for
yeah,
your phone. It's not for
follow,
your
I'm no one.
Follow your
Follow.
consultant.
I know one man. Follow, yeah. Follow.
Okay, they'll go for now. When they come out, business will back.
All
right.
If it's in the people, they know me.
Wow, go see your number.
Your number, like.
19 A lot of people want your number.
Okay.
Let me give you Mene's number.
Okay.
Oh, it's Menena. Those who no,
Mene,
they money pass
Oga.
Mene.
Hello.
Thank you so much.
Hold on.
Kelly.
All right.
My pleasure, sir.
Thank you so much. Thank you,
Welcome,
brother.
brother. Yes, sir.
Yes, you go.
Yes, sir.
Yes, you go.
Nice one.
Thank you.
Look forward to move.
All right.
A very good morning to you. Here's the news update on today, 95.1 FM. I am Kelly Ikemechima. The River State Governor, Simalai Fubara, has warned the state government will deal decisively with anyone who sabotages the ongoing 20,000 housing unit project aimed at providing decent housing for low-income earners in the state. The governor gave the warning when he inspected the extent of work done on the project site located along the Obirikure Airport Road. In a statement by his senior special assistant on media, Boniface Oindi, the governor Fubara wondered why some people had refused to utilize available channels to address their concerns with the government instead of planning to engage in acts of sabotage. Governor Fubara reiterated his commitment to providing decent housing for low-income earners and assured that every support will be given to the contractor to deliver on the promises made to Rivers people. The federal government has ordered the release of 102,000 metric tons of rice and maize to Nigerians following the food crisis in the country. The government also disclosed that it may embark on the importation of whatever shortfalls may be experienced to augment supplies. The Minister of Information and National Orientation, Mohammed Idris, stated this in Abuja shortly after a meeting of the Presidential Committee on Food Emergencies. The decision came after a series of deliberations by the committee in reaction to the protests by Nigerians over the high cost of food and other economic challenges. The federal government has told the organized labor comprising the Nigeria Labour Congress, NLC, and the Trade Union Congress, TUC, that the allegation that it does not keep to its promises is not true. The government also told the unions that it was not in the interest of anyone for them to embark on strike and appealed that they come for a roundtable discussion in order to arrive at amicable resolutions to any differences. The Minister of Information and National Orientation, Mohammed Idris, made the appeal while reacting to the threat by the organized labor to go on a strike over the alleged failure of government to honor agreements it entered into with the unions. Leaders of the NLC and TUC expressed displeasure that, despite organized labor's efforts to ensure industrial peace, the government seemed unperturbed by the mass suffering and hardship across the country. The October 2 agreement was focused on addressing the massive suffering and general harsh socio-economic consequences of the ill-conceived and ill-executed IMF World Bank-induced hike in the price of petrol and the devaluation of the naira. Meanwhile, the House of Representatives has promised to strengthen libel and slander laws in the country to protect the dignity of Nigerians against unjustified personality attacks. According to the Speaker of the House, Tajuddin Abbas, the House would ensure that laws are balanced, providing room for healthy and constructive criticism, while safeguarding individuals and institutions from malicious and unfounded attacks. He added that comments, especially against the President and senior government officials, had to be constructive and objective, free from slander and defamation. He said there had been a rise in defamation campaigns on social media involving the deliberate dissemination of false and misleading information with the intent to harm the reputation of individuals or organizations. He said the recent attacks on the Chief of Staff to the President, Femi Gbajabiamila, were the consequences of unfettered and unaccountable social media. Such acts, according to him, not only undermines the integrity of the nation's democracy, but also erodes the fabric of national unity. On the foreign scene, the United Nations Committee on the Rights of the Child has urged Russia to end the forcible transfer of children from occupied areas of Ukraine and return them to their families. Last month, a panel of 18 independent experts pressed Russia on deportation allegations while reviewing its record. Their conclusions called on Russia to put to an end the forcible transfer or deportation of children from occupied Ukrainian territory. Russia, which launched a full-scale invasion of Ukraine in February 2022, has argued that placements for evacuated children are arranged first and foremost at their request, and with their consent. Russia's Commissioner for Children's Rights, Maria Belova, is accused of abducting children from Ukraine and has been issued an arrest warrant by the ICC. And that's the news update on Today 95.1 FM. I am Kelly Ikemenjima. Good morning. Thank you for your time.
I listen to a lot of talk radio.
They don't know the direction. They are just getting confused. They don't know the direction they want to go on. Kelly, I hear you read about the confusion of the government, the federal government. At this point in time, they are confused because the rate at which things they rise for this country, I never experienced that before since I was born. Now I'm getting old. I have never seen anything like that. I don't know which side will be the worst. If you go building materials, whether not the worst, I don't know. If you go food for market, I don't know whether not the worst. If you go any area you go, everywhere, people they increase something now. They don't now 2 days now they don't turn up every day.
Yes.
It goes to reach one hour.
If I start with one month.
Yes.
Then you reduce to 2 weeks.
2 weeks.
Now reduce to 1 week.
1 week now 2 days or 3 days.
Sometimes say in an hour.
I don't know whether we don't reach hour.
Now you don't reach hour. Hour where we say something where you price now. And
you just work out. Go buy waterproof.
Come back.
You say na pepper don't increase.
Now wetin happen to egg o? Egg wey price. The woman tell me 2.7 last. 2.7 last. Jumbo 2.8 last. I wan say okay make I buy other things. Make I buy other things.
As you come back.
Say oga na 2.8 last.
You don see am now.
He say na the supplier. Tell am now say na last.
Na so e be. Now we come hear for news now say federal government on their own
wan open food bank.
Food bank. My question is this: many dey play person wayo and the first year Jerengwa. Man, no break this microphone, please.
Be careful.
Now tell me for this country. They look us see they like to road say we get food bank. Back of where that one dey? Where? Tell me where that one dey. You don't say before.
It's back of food day.
Where?
It's called reserve.
Where now? Where?
They travel along.
Who get that?
Michael know where it is.
Don't
say federal government.
Who? We don't say they announce for radio.
It day now.
Where?
Now, if you ask question, another person answer now.
Do quick o.
You don't time to listen. If they travel from River State.
Where will you start from, River State?
Where you travel from? Where you do? You crazy.
Right, start near the food, where the food is. Because this state, don't travel anyhow.
If you travel from River State to
Jerusalem.
To Enugu now, you go see those big silos.
Yes.
Along the road before Okigwe.
Yes.
Between Okigwe. Those big silos. And the suspect say na there
in the crate.
The thing they big.
No, they go
grain.
The way I take my time they listen to you, I was suspected. I don't say.
But again,
they suspect.
Where they?
Then you not sure say they suspect food.
This thing they different zones of the country. You know they don't put that one place.
See,
madam,
now, man, nobody call a lie to us. So, say they give food somewhere. Say they give food somewhere. Man, nobody can't tell us that kind of story. Because that same story when they say they keep food there, now to collect money, oh. No, look at where now to collect money, okay, there's food bank there. We need the mobilization. We need the money now to go and bring it. And another thing where they come talk when they make me vex, say those of the traders will carry the food go hide. so that when money don, when the thing don scarce now, they go come bring am come dey sell. Say government say they go first now go open their shop come dey sell am. What kind of talk is that one? That's a confused thinking.
Nobody, what do you know about it?
Do you know the problem we have in this state? Everybody for this country, everybody know am, including the president know am. All the men that wey dey choose they know, but everybody they remove eye. You see, economics. Let me talk like an economical student.
Economic students.
Economical, because the way we dey now, economics don't pass. The way things dey increase, economics don't pass. Let me discuss as an economical student. You understand? That's what we call price. That's what we call demand, and that's what we call supply. Now, that's what we call influencer.
Food is a sickness.
Food influencers.
Influenza and a sickness.
Can I
Influenza we
can I come?
Continue.
Come well. In economics, that's what we call influencer. Now, the influencer fit be something wey nobody dey see. It fit be something wey person dey see. But that influencer, na im dey worry both price, both supply, and both demand. Somebody say amen.
Amen.
You know, man.
Come
This is elementary economics.
you know no.
I know.
Na im dey want this country now.
Elementary economics.
E get where they keep food, where they hide
They
food. You say you dey suspect.
grains. They give grains like corn.
Corn.
They give.
They dey use am
They
go
give
plant.
farmers.
A farmer to go plant.
Yes.
Very good. Rice income
They
to go plant.
They
No to chop, right?
No,
Rice
to chop.
Na to go plant.
Chop own day.
Federal government say they go release am.
Chop own day.
Chop all day.
Then
That rice never spoil till now.
See, Tekena.
Make I finish o.
Federal government learned from.
That rice never spoil.
He learned from Joseph.
Nobody dream now. So who
No,
interpret
Joseph in the Bible
Joseph theory, economical theory.
teach people sense. Say
Economical.
they bank food.
That's economical
They
theory.
reserve food. Joseph, Pharaoh saw
Which
7
of
years.
Joseph? Aramatias.
No, shut up. Joseph, original Joseph. The main Joseph.
Coat
The
of
first coat of many color.
Okay.
Couldn't they play game when they talk and play rubbish game?
Yes, Joseph in Opopo.
I dey
Joseph
listen to
Ogolo.
him.
Joseph Ogolo.
God bless you.
Now our own Joseph Ogolo na court with the go and say for the first
No, be Curtis. I like cut.
we dey produce trouble.
I see.
Package
I see
trouble.
one of una cut guy. He say, "May I hail you?" I said, "Don't come up for cut." He say, "Bro, we still there. We still there. But hail am, hail am." I thought I would kill her. I said, "This small Ogolo family. If I never kill her, how can I hate somebody wey drop her there for cut?" He say, "Bro, hail am, hail am." Na so we dey do. Hail am, hail am. I feel conclude it too. Because I'm coming somewhere. I want to talk about the influencer.
Now, the Joseph, original Joseph of the Bible,
Yes.
interpret dream of Pharaoh. 7 years food go dey,
For
7
food
years
banking.
for food banking. So that theory,
Now in Nigeria it is.
not be just Nigeria, the whole world dey use am.
Okay, go come to us now.
Now,
Help me.
help
You have traveled far and wide.
He dey
Where?
places.
Explain.
If they
They
open
don't
up,
try one to give us one say, but you suspect.
if they listen,
Give us the real place if you say
if
it.
they open up where they,
Where?
if they,
People go want Russia.
Stampede. That will be stampede.
So nobody know where it
It is
is.
called strategic reserve.
Okay.
They are strategic.
I feel it. Strategic reserve and planning
I'm planning.
of food.
We know the exposure.
Make people no go
Many people
Russia.
no go there. Go face the place.
Okay.
You see, say for Niger State,
Yeah.
for Mina,
Eh,
you see the protest that they do of high cost of living.
yes.
They did the protest.
If they not,
block Boso.
if they not,
road.
if they not, they complain high cost of living. There's something wrong.
We here
There's something wrong.
with us.
No, there's something serious. Something that's seriously wrong.
Aboki people.
Because they not
They know the enter
and the south can never be the same.
For
in
that
terms
they are
of food.
complaining now.
For
Let
them
me
to
say
complain.
something's wrong.
But you know what is wrong?
Something's
now?
wrong.
What is wrong now?
Wahala
Be
dey
say-
o.
What is wrong now? Be say the farmer, the people where the farmers now are being killed by the so-called.
That one,
this thing.
overhype it.
Continue. No,
Ah.
no, it's possible.
No, it's possible that when you kill farmers, See, Benue now na food basket of the nation. Na there the killing now they go on. You understand? So if those people them now where they go farm now they produce food,
allow
me
to exercise my academic. Madam, you don't talk. They enter her phone.
No. She wants.
Allow me.
OneTV.
Wait, you talk.
More complete this matter.
You don't get time. Relax.
Where your people?
Allow me to exercise my economical abilities.
Go ahead.
Now the influencer will be the key thing where all of us they remove eye. Look now, they enter now. Where all of us they remove face, where they influence all this problem is transportation.
What is it?
Transportation
Of what?
of these
Goods and services.
And services.
Services now, which people serve?
There are plenty now. People they do all kinds of things.
Call services.
Yes, all kinds of.
So what is the problem?
The problem is this. Since JADA Lab Asolok becomes 001 of this country, the first project, a very good project, which is the removal of subsidy. That one alone increase the pump price when we take buy fuel, increase pump price when we take buy diesel, increase which one be
They've removed for diesel already. No?
How much did they buy diesel?
No, this had not been there before. This had not been there.
Okay, now how much did they buy diesel?
Diesel is still going on. It's the same problem. No?
How much?
It's almost
Not be Jagaban remove diesel, oh no.
Now lie, they be lie to us.
No, diesel oh no common sense.
They be lie to us, we don't know.
Wait,
now listen, what are they come? Are they come? Are they come?
Don't talk with you when
If yes, are they come? I go analyze as economical things. What will be our problem now? The yam, where they see so, and the rice, the beans, whether we like them or not, they not
even the nama.
They not the nama. Now, in the north, they need to consume the nama. Now we for south, they consume the nama.
Hello.
Now if
continue,
no, they make call for here now. If fuel, let's say fuel or diesel, now diesel 200 naira per liter. Fuel 160 per liter. Automatically, everything for this country pertaining food go first come down. Because the people they carry nama from the north, they come the south. Only God know as we stand now, the liters of diesel we go carry from the north come reach here. We go by answer. I go by answer. Now me and him, me and Michael, I go by answer. We spend 50,000 for fuel to just buy us a year of 1 hour 20 minutes drive. We spend 15,000 naira to and fro. This one self will not even full the tank well. One would go buy 25,000 naira, you know, full tank. Talk less of somebody when they carry nama, let's say from Kaduna. How much diesel that person will buy when you carry nama come slaughter for Port Harcourt here? So when they carry that price of diesel when they buy and everything, out of one nama when they buy for 80,000 or 100,000 or 150 as the case may be, tell me how much they will sell here. Plus what we call multiply effect. One name, the multiply effect and the people they provide the services. Themselves they go eat. They go load nama for truck, bring nama down for truck. Carry nama, go slaughter. Still feed nama. And the food they way is so now still the same diesel and carry and come. So if they allow me to open everything we get for this country, if they not find way, make this refinery, what did they tell us say they work every day, they work. As of Dangote own, it has become a monumental project. Monument.
They run the refinery.
When? How?
But will there be a difference?
There must be a difference.
There will not be.
No, don't say that.
Let me give you an example.
There must be a difference.
Can I say this? Can I
Yes,
give you an example?
yes.
Dangote cement. Nobody say Nigeria they produce.
No, importer all the materials. import all the materials, come back and
come back and
yes, yes.
fine. What's the difference between why they go kill Ibeto cement?
No, no go that side.
Wait,
Don't concern me that one.
You see now.
Ibeto sell the import.
Good.
Now because of one man, me no let me one do am.
No. Now the God bless you. You have entered my trap.
What is trap? I say he said trap for me since.
You see, Ibeto, Bua, and the rest.
No, no only three. No chorus.
Okay, only three of them.
Before.
Good.
Ibeto, Bua, and Dangote.
Allow them. Ibeto Nibo man, we know waiting the importance of turnover, 1 naira. So Ibeto get more comfortable to sell the same cement, all of them import and everything, at, for example, 100 naira.
So this.
And they come now. But Dangote, I said you come to my trap. You enter my trap. Now
Dangote Ibeto sell lesser.
Dangote want monopoly. He want to sell alone. If competition no dey, any price wey you put am, na so we go buy am. Today cement is 7,500 to 8,000 naira a bag. As at yesterday for yesterday, one person call me, tell me I shout.
Na so it
good. But if the Ibeto bin survive, because of competition, e for come down.
No come down. I tell you.
But you say because one man wan do am.
No, I don't listen now. He said wetin make them close. You see, they ask wetin make them close Ibeto. I no wan go that side.
Ask you wetin make them
because there are a lot of things wey dey involved.
I no ask you.
Understand?
That wasn't what I
said.
said.
What you
I'm
talk?
talking about competition, that the opportunity to allow other people in the same business.
Competition no bring price
down.
If
they bring price down. No, so wetin make you tell me say if Dangote begin refine, things go down? You no go bring
so
price down.
Let me come to you now.
How make I say enter my
I am gonna come to you now.
If Dangote refine, it go even worse.
Wait now, it cannot worse. It's not
go worse.
Listen now, wait.
Monopoly.
Man, it's not monopoly.
Full supply.
I tell you now. I tell you now.
It's supply the problem.
I tell you.
Wait,
any talks now.
What do you mean? Talk.
They talk since.
Okay.
Talk on this economic zone.
For me.
Somewhere know that they teach you.
I know. You don't know.
See, see, somebody analyze your like this.
Which public?
Can I?
Don't talk nonsense.
Alakuneto. I never talk free.
We'll go die for you.
We'll
leave this program. We'll leave here.
See, one analyst say part of the problem they say, apart from the food production, we be cost for there.
Cost for where?
For that side, for north now, we say things don't dey rise up now because feed, to even feed the animal, it don't dey cost. Now when they are
going back to
wait now,
now make the point. Don't go back there.
Allow me now.
Yeah. What's that?
How are we repeating the same thing?
Allow him.
The feed cost.
Allow him.
I agree.
You don't know economics. Allow him.
What don't know economics?
Go ahead.
Now this transportation
C5
wey taken at
C5 for economics is yours.
Now the transportation now wey taken at now. No be just the transportation itself.
What again?
Bad road.
All render the transportation.
Wait now.
What is road?
Wait first now.
How can I be talking about that road? That one infrastructure.
Bad road.
Okay, so infrastructure follow wetin they are
for
go ahead. Bad road.
Fine, bad road. Then settlement
of who?
Of personnel on the road.
Who be personnel? What's personnel?
Police.
Police doesn't be personnel now. That one don't follow. That one don't follow.
If you know how many posts wey dey between Kano and Port Harcourt.
Kano. No post for Kano.
Now when you enter
now from Enugu.
Now you go see
post.
That's why nobody dey.
From Enugu to Port Harcourt.
If you stand there.
If you stand there, people go jam you.
The money wey those people dey pay.
How much? E no cost me. Since I tell them no go with
you. Why una say e no cost? Even if say ask the aboki themselves, make dem tell you wetin their eye dey see.
Kune, let me explain something to you. Now you will know that I'm economics.
He follow for wetin dey increase food.
Let me explain.
How many days ago we go Abuja? If you see how much you want 5 for Abuja,
why you talk of that one now?
You understand? But when you reach here, one 5 sugar be like something wey only 4 meat.
Let me explain that money for road for you. A truck, let's say for example, carry 100 nama. You know reach home, I might just say, okay, man, carry 30 nama.
You carry 100.
30 nama.
That trailer is carry 100.
100?
Yes.
Okay, 100 nama. No, you know reach home.
Okay, let's put 50.
Depends on the number.
Let's put 50.
You know,
as you know,
number big. Because when we carry horse go polo tournament, we know if you carry it at you.
Because I don't make the bridge. This is number that they carry. They don't see number truck.
They don't reach 100. They don't reach 100.
Let's look at 50.
Let's say 30. And if they give police money for road, 500. By the time you spread that 500 we give police for road on the 30 nama,
You know, go
they no go pass 100 naira per nama.
Nama.
So that's why I say I know economics.
When you pay for 500, because they no go reach 100.
The place is
I don't deliver.
It's very
It's
significant.
very significant.
I don't
Now
deliver.
the diesel.
Now the transportation.
Because
be
now
problem.
listen, the diesel for Kano price and the diesel for River State price no be the same.
Yes, now.
That place cost pass.
That place cost pass.
It cost pass.
You understand? Now when they come reach here, they come buy bonfire wey dey cheaper. You understand? So what I am saying is this as an economist, gentlemen. If the federal government is sincere enough for this our Port Harcourt refinery, Kaduna refinery, and Warri refinery,
Make one only
I'm
one
coming.
first work.
the raw materials we are not importing it. What is the raw material? It's the crude oil. Inside crude oil, this country will gain about 1,500 byproducts. Byproducts mean the things wey dey come out from that diesel.
From one thing, no be
yes,
diesel,
from
crude oil.
sorry, from crude oil,
Oil.
about 1,500. Me and you only know fuel, diesel, and the replacement.
And kerosene.
No
And
fuel.
aviation fuel.
All of them now fuel. Me and you only know
AGO.
petrol.
We know
Kerosene.
Kerosene,
diesel,
aviation,
Aviation fuel. That one a lighter kerosene.
very good, and kerosene 4.
4
But
products. Well,
apart-
we know be 2 men. When they carry do good.
And
Now need
It's
2
not
men.
popular, but people don't know am now. Now, these 4 things.
We know
Now
Barai.
you
We
hold-
know Barai.
God bless
wetin
you.
dey carry am?
These 4
They
things.
carry drill oil.
Now, these 4 things now you hold. They are the 4 pillars of this economy.
4 pillars.
Yes, these 4 things: kerosene, diesel, what do
They
call
are
it?
the
Fuel,
Let me fuel
petrol, and aviation petrol. These 4. And these 4 will get the crude when they pass
free of charge.
free of charge.
God,
You cannot tell me that.
back and give
They
up.
cannot tell me that. Why would they export this crude? I will carry some, put for Port Harcourt refinery to refine and by pipeline pass to Kaduna. You can't tell me say.
Pipeline they don't break for
No,
woman.
my friend, don't go there, they'll kill you. They look at pipeline surveillance, they will shoot you. If we produce, you can't tell us for this country, say, fuel will still be 600 and something. It's not
Petrol.
possible. Petrol will come be.
Even wood na fuel, charcoal
I
na fuel.
understand, it cannot be possible. Now the local one they tell you, it cannot be possible.
Let me
Therefore,
10 minutes.
if Dangote, now they tell us that they don't give Dangote crude, he no go fit come and come tell us say he wants to sell 600 naira per litre.
Him go sell wetin him want.
The
And
refinery,
nobody go
Port
put
Harcourt refinery,
It's not Nigeria
possible.
we dey.
No,
No,
it's
make
not
it look
possible.
like we dey
It's
Ghana.
not possible.
This same
If
Nigeria.
people can pay
Everybody talk
fake
it's not possible.
and original
Like it's not
subsidy,
wetin go happen.
listen o, if you can pay fake and original subsidy
Make we meet someone.
for landing costs according to their grammar, very useless grammar to confuse everybody. Landing costs, and when they buy fuel for 198 naira, and they tell me say, "Oh, pump crude, put for Eleme here, Eleme na Okrika, refinery."
Na the electric light dey work o. If you see a picture
Stop
for night,
that.
bulb reach 5,000
Stop
bulb.
that. People are working there.
So only the bulb dey work.
If you see the electric bulb, I see the picture.
You know, see the
No
fire.
dey produce anything.
The
Fire when the
fire.
light off and later.
His test is called micro test.
If you see electric bulb there,
Wait a minute.
even NEPA,
They light up the plant. Look at this for you. You want to work in
Na
like
gas
that?
na gas dey use light
The
am.
plant they work 24 hours.
no,
The plant dey work the bulb.
I don't
They dey produce the
know
bulb.
be commissioners.
electric bulb dey work. Electric bulb.
Electric drilling.
Okay, wait. Where you go, sir? For
Okay.
Facebook or you waka pass there for night?
We are
Which
drilling.
one is that?
We are drilling bulbs.
Like, how can you say like 10,000?
If you look refinery for night, You gonna say never. You gonna say never anymore. Electric bulb everywhere.
But don't be there like na gas they dey use produce. If not, never don't go up. The remote na off.
Calm down. Jagaban say you go walk.
You know they walk.
And they're on fire. That fire is what we call significant fire that gives hope to mankind. They offer honor.
Smart everything.
Offer honor.
You don't want time we
They go produce. By March ending. Now see the first
big lie.
what was fuel? Petrol for plane come now. It's 20,000 naira.
No lie.
No, no fly go
No lie, no go happen.
No fly come back.
It no go happen again.
What can you say such a thing? How can
Nothing
you
for
say
Nigeria wey go up when they come
It's
down.
I dey tell you, nothing.
Nothing.
See, the economy of Nigeria is not like Amu.
When they go up, they come down.
It be like only age. Only age. Like they go up, no they come down.
Who should
And
get
that's what they
it?
do.
Once you get it now,
35, so that we can time it.
the cement when they increase, we get the raw materials here.
You know they come down.
We get the raw
Nothing
materials
they
here.
come down.
No only one product would they import to do cement. The rest, all the material take for Enugu, it take everywhere. Only one chemical now would they import. Only one chemical.
This Nigeria wey
Dollar. Now one or two persons sit up for house look oh. So we don't call it that. I have something for the dollar. How much we yesterday? 1,350. The way I wake up this morning there. Ada. 1,350. Small though. Ada more. Now the thing where one person, two group of people or three, they fix dollar. That be central bank they fix dollar. Now the people wey dey for road now they fix dollar give central bank. Say see how much you go go.
All right. Well,
It's a magical contract. You see the
we
money
dey come back. We dey come back. So I will not go feel bad.
Remember we need genie, no genie. Don't want genie before.
It's done 36 so and
Wait,
15 minutes now.
What
No time. 15 minutes now we get.
Why be the genie?
Ladies and
Say
gentlemen.
why I be genie?
When I go find lamp for this country. Rubber.
We get our friend they always or most times they deal with us. He not come this morning, so maybe we take him.
You see the economy is even affecting.
He affected. Oh, Going Estate is here.
Going Estate is this.
Going Estate, you're welcome.
Every fuel come now, Going Estate is said 150. I think
Nothing they come down for Nigeria.
With the subsidized fuel, even for our customer now. Now when you buy to point, we'll give you fuel for.
I'll put that for a microphone.
We'll give you fuel for 10 months.
you don't say.
You can talk.
They know say na the problem of the people now.
No,
That's what I'm saying.
All right, so you're welcome. Good morning.
Thank you very much.
Yes, we already know you, but we know
That's
you. We
what
don't
I'm
know you.
So
So
it
people
start
will
from
know you.
introduction.
People know you, but like to know you.
Okay.
Apostle.
No,
Right.
make it.
And now they talk now, make it
Who
introduce
give an
yourself.
apostle?
Na apostle.
Not the apostle.
Home apostle.
Okay.
My name is
Apostle of Zion.
Apostle Home Ownership, the group managing director of Boeing Luxury Estate. That company has come to change the face of real estate in Nigeria. We started in Port Harcourt some 10 years ago. 10 years ago, Boeing is at 10. And we want to paint Port Harcourt Boeing blue.
Wait, let me just advise you.
Yes, sir.
You see this way you do now. For here.
You see here come
The
good.
next topic we dey discuss. So
And
normal as
we
you
don't
don't
think
expect.
that you're
fine, that's
They are 10 minutes.
And I don't tell her the
I
fine.
will pay. You know, tell me before.
now 15 minutes.
So Boeing is 10. I want to paint Port Harcourt Boeing blue.
You are playing
Okay.
Going blue.
Boeing blue.
Okay,
I want to create opportunity for people to make more money in real estate. People here say there's money in real estate, money in real estate. They don't know how to go about it.
Okay.
This Saturday, tomorrow, by this time tomorrow, 10 o'clock, boys at 10, by 10 of February, 10 a.m. Hotel Hotel Presidential, we are organizing Next Level Rectors Conference. Next Level Rectors Conference.
Right where?
Realtors.
Real
Realtors.
Presidentials. Yes.
Okay.
Where we want to train people on what real estate is all about, how they can make money from real estate. We did one last year. Plenty people attended, but few people that took what they learned there into practice. Some of them are going to win car. About 7 cars will be given out tomorrow.
How
Our partners. Some are going to win plot of land.
How they want to win that?
They attended last year the program. And what we teach them, they use them.
Okay.
Today now we want to reward them. Many of them will win foreign trip, 10 days foreign trip outside Nigeria.
Okay.
And some will lot of about 20 iPhones of different grade will be won. Cars, landed property, all expenses going paid abroad trip. These are the people that attended last year. So if you are listening to me and you are interested in this thing, please call my colleagues in any of this number 090 9000 1952 090 9000 1953 or go to our website www.boeingestates.com. boeingestates.com. Boeing spelled B-O-I-N-G, estate and s.com. When you open the website, there will be a drop off how you can register for this event. It's not a free event.
Wow.
You have to pay tertiary money. People don't value free things. If you want to learn how to make it big in real estate, pay just 25,000 naira, 10 a.m. tomorrow, 10th of February. Attend this event and your life will never remain same.
So how you go take care?
You pay online.
That's what you say.
They will give you, as you just open the website www.boeingestates.com. B-O-I-N-G.
Online with your card.
With your card.
So this is secured.
Pay stack.
Okay, pay stack.
Pay stack. Pay stack will collect the money there, collect their own and give us our own.
Okay,
and after hotel presidential, when we don't win this thing, finish, we dey go to our side, Boy Mega City. Now they won't go eat a buffet.
That's tomorrow.
Tomorrow.
So how many hours for the seminar?
Just about 3 hours.
So after 3 hours.
We now drive people on convoy.
Okay.
On convoy with fresh palm wine to go and eat there, you drink there, so that they use their eye to see what they talk about. Our Boy Mega Cities. Phase 2 we started late last year. We already completed the fencing of it. People are still building in phase 1. In the next few months, we'll start living there. We already have security house, security already there, protecting life and property of our client. And at this seminar tomorrow, next level rectors seminar, we are going to announce the next, we call it a Boeing promo, full subsidy edition. Full subsidy, where people will buy fuel free of charge on the bill of Boeing for the next 10 months, because Boeing is 10.
Wow.
Some people go to Hyper City where they will shop free of charge for the next 10 months for buying property from Boeing.
Wow.
That one, terms and conditions will be discussed tomorrow. The modality will be discussed, and some of this property will be sold at a highly discounted rate, some as much as 50%. If you've been trying to buy property, don't know how to go about it, please get in touch with my colleagues. The end of this number 090 9000 1952. 090 9000 1953. Those are our number. The company is Boeing Luxury Estate, Left Wing Hotel Presidential, and they are our address here in Port Harcourt.
Okay. Make I ask you. The 10 cars, according to you, I told you the 7 cars. You say people will come last year.
We attend the program.
And the thing where they learn, they put them to use.
That is it.
So now that means they don't perform excellently well.
Well.
Ah.
About 30 of them will be rewarded. Last year, about 200 persons attended the event, and 30 that took it serious, that been with us since then, they will be rewarded. Some of them are going to have landed property without paying a couple.
Wow.
For it, a way of rewarding them. Many will go for 10 days, all expense, Boeing, all expenses paid abroad, foreign trip, without, all you need to have your passport. What they call Nigeria passport, international passport to go. Any other thing, Boeing will take care of that.
Tomorrow by 10 o'clock?
10 o'clock. But we are starting 10 o'clock, we are best to get there before 10. Our 10 is for 10. So by 9:30, 9:45, you'll be there. And if you want to be there, you have to register now so that we can make provision for your arrival. www.boeingestates.com. And then you can register.
The estates get S for back.
You get S.
Estates.
Estates.
Okay, .com.
boeingestates.com. And
as many estates.
We have plenty. In Port Harcourt alone, we have 10 of them.
Okay.
10. And Boeing is 10. I say this year complete 10. And we are going to celebrate with a month to give out 10 cars during the year 2024. Wow. Some of them will be given out this Saturday. So I want to congratulate the winners, our partners, our rectors that have been with us for the past few years, and they continue to dedicate be loyal to the brand Boeing. They will be rewarded. And if you could not make the mark, another promo is starting. We are starting it this Saturday, where Boeing, if you buy from Boeing, we'll give you a recharge card, a total card that enable you to buy for anywhere in the country, not even the country. Now total might be sponsor of ongoing AFCON Cup, so you can even use to buy for anywhere in Africa. That's strong brand Boeing is partnering with. Hypercity is the hyper thing in town. You can also shop not less than 60,000 naira every month in any Hypercity outlet when you patronize Boeing. So you choose whether you want to take the total card or the Hypercity card. That will start this Saturday.
All right. Thank you very much, Mr. Ori Martins, the GMD.
My time don't reach.
Yeah. How many minutes you settle?
No, be 15 we talk.
Your time see the way they rush you.
You know the time like say.
No, we thank you because we are happy that you are
right now.
We are happy with you. We are happy with you.
At the end of 10 minutes, you tell me.
No, we are happy with you.
Okay, since
we just
take your time.
Yes, now because we want to focus now. We don't talk the seminar, the realtors tomorrow.
Yes.
We don't talk time. We don't talk venue. Now the site now after they don't finish the one for office.
As we finish the office own,
what will they go do for the site?
Well, now you want to
and which of the sites will they go?
We don't want to eat hotel presidential food. Why? Many times those hotel food, people they complain. Now Lebanese people now when you go there will be swallow, there will be bole, there will be Nigeria jollof rice. Now you go choose the one where you want it, and there will be AC bus vehicle that will convey this with escorts and back to the hotel presidential. We also want people to see the property we are talking about.
So then when they chop, when they look at
some people go there on top of the floor where they won't buy that they chop and they transfer the money to us. And they will buy at a discounted rate.
Okay.
Now,
when you come, we pay 25,000 and attend this event, you enjoy special discount if you want to buy.
Okay.
And we want you to see where to buy. About 3 kilometers road is being constructed in this estate now. When we talk for radio, people think say they don't start it. One day they can't see. We not be local government, we not be state government. But in the last 10 years of the state of Poland, we've done more than 10 kilometer road here in River State, and we are still doing more. It's opportunity for people to see. We build police posts, we build a water treatment plant. The transformer has been installed most of the estate. Access control fence. The estate we're talking about 10 kilometer fence. The last 2 years have been built on it. So when you get there, you know that this is secure land, not the same land we go buy today and tomorrow. Wahala go there.
Okay.
Okay. So people will come the seminar by 10 o'clock in the morning.
Now we advise them to come before 10. Seminar is starting
at 10
o'clock.
10 on the dot. No African man time.
No.
So by 12, between 12 and 1, we don't finish.
We don't finish.
Then we'll now move to the site.
Yes.
With our AC buses, we will pack our motor, we will carry come, enter your own.
Yes, so
when we reach the site, caterers they wait for us, they will give us food.
The food
as we they chop, they drink the fresh, because of the palm wine. That one
that is
that palm wine. I did there, they go for 3, go pluck and for me. I was there as a person.
That palm wine is
so as they drink the palm wine, they chop the food on top the land we want buy. We dey see everything we don't construct already. Then we dey there, we dey pay at a discount rate. What is the discount, sir?
What
is the percentage of discount?
Going mega city, we have phase 1 and phase 2. Phase 2 that we are developing now, with the discounts as much as 50%.
50%
half of the price.
Half.
And for the fact, say you pay half, doesn't mean we'll call you back to come and pay balance.
The balance.
No. Once you don't key in this promo now, your contract paper carry the total money away.
Just with 25,000 naira to register.
That is
you
it.
Get access to pay 50%.
Let's no go practical here.
Yes.
Now, let's say for instance, a plot of land, for instance,
yes,
is 2 million naira.
Yeah.
Because I come tomorrow, follow all the waka, reach the place, I will pay 1 million.
That is
good.
It,
when I pay 1, if me and you agree, I go pay 1 million.
Yes.
and I come first pay 500,000. Then how many months I go pay the balance where it go still remain the same 1 million?
You will tell us how it take convenient for you.
As I like.
6 months or 1 year.
As I like.
Once you make that initial deposit, you don't
enter. Nothing will change them again.
That's why we call it a Boeing promo full subsidy edition.
Oh,
full subsidy. We are subsidizing both the land, your fueling, your grocery, your shopping for the whole year, the next 10 months. For the next 10 months, when you get to capacity, you can choose anything you want. When ladies, when they want to go for market, they keep on making lists. Condemn some, add the total, adjust, do budget. This one you don't need to do budget, just go to capacity. Pick anything where you want. Every month for the next 10 months. Let me call the number. 090 9000 1952.
9,000.
090 9000 1953 and 090 555 222 36.
You dey rush the number.
Okay, 090 5 in 3 places.
555
2 in 3 places.
222
36.
36.
We also have 090
090
9000
9000
9,000.
1952
1952
or 090
or 090
9000
9000
1953. Left wing Hotel Presidential, Boeing Luxury Estate, we are running Boeing promo full subsidy edition starting this Saturday. And if you come to be part of this 25,000 registration, you have the chance, it's not a chance of winning foreign trip, a car, landed property, and you're going to meet the industrial expert. I will be there with some of my big guys in the industry to take your hand on how you can make it big in real estate. After the seminar, I'll put you in WhatsApp group for the next 1 month. Any question you want to ask there.
All right. So to enter this thing now, to enter this thing now, just use your Android phone. Google, I mean, go to www.boeingestates.com.
And there BOING.com.
Nobody one estate
there.
Now there you go pay the money to register.
Yes.
Thank you very much.
It's my pleasure.
You are welcome.
Now they chop us in time, but nobody can chop in a time.
You don't chop them now. Last time you chopped them 3 minutes. Today when it end, it seems like 1 minute you don't chop. So
I give you game.
And with what I just said, if you had it read from your memory, please. Delete it from your hard disk.
Boy, give me my investment.
Come, and you follow the laugh for 6 months when you come here.
Give me my investment. Man City versus Everton. Man City versus Everton. Man City holds over 1.5. How long is it?
It's not long.
What are you playing, madam?
No, now one of our partners. Since morning when she come here, she follow us. Now OneTV. She follow us. They laugh up and down. Instead she go talk, but she go laugh for.
It's not a jingle, it's just the same thing there.
Can you say it with your voice?
In pidgin, the guy wants the pidgin English. You know, I don't know how to speak pidgin.
Oh, yeah, speak about English.
This is long. This is 9 minutes.
Is it 9?
Yes.
Yeah, speak it here. Speak it here.
We can't take it.
No,
We
we
have
can't
to
take
take it next week.
Summarize this South Africa.
Now maybe we win them. Since we win them.
You're supposed to have kept something from me, something to console me.
But I told you to use your Nigerian passport for now. Just leave South Africa.
Who's South Africa?
She's from South
Now my
Africa.
go play now. 3 people don't die for this country. You like that?
Is it?
Wait, oh, it's 1 minute. It's 1 minute 50 something seconds.
Oh, yeah, let's go.
Mona no verse. Mandy is here. Oh, yeah, put your mouth for the microphone.
All right, darling.
Okay, good morning. Good
They
morning.
can my own now.
Ambassador Magistrate from OneTV Network.
Where are you from?
Nigeria.
Nala.
She's from South
Where are
Africa.
you from?
She's from Cape Town.
We beat them still. Just
I found them.
I thought they play one walking by they call William Shakespeare. They want us play. I come when they wear bamboo boots in them man.
Just in Babubu. To walk at Babubu.
No one I love it. So Mandy, what are you here for?
Okay,
OneTV, our partner.
We started running a program. It's a learning program called SKINS.
Huh?
Skint. It's a
Talk.
learning program.
Can you come down?
Okay,
that's
what I'm saying, that you can rather
They hear South Africa, they talk normal.
She didn't talk normal.
Because
South Africa, they talk normal. She didn't talk normal.
Allow her to talk.
They didn't talk normal.
Who said?
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah.
She be South Africa, but she don't even grow up there.
She they behave like that.
So we're going to
Mommy, go ahead now.
okay, we're running a program called Sketch. It's a learning program, and one of the major things that OneTV community is about, we're about raising reliable, responsible, I always say reliable, but it's raising responsible global citizens. We're big on that. So we're running a learning program where people can come in, and it's supposed to be a 3-year program, but some people have opted to take it in 6 months for whatever reason.
Crash program.
How
they want to graduate?
Now fill out.
Yeah, but well, fortunately, unfortunately, and the nicest thing is this. We have them come in to our center for Hackwood. We've had people coming in from near and far. We have a lot of students coming in.
Take it easy.
People have
sponsoring.
What on the play the voice.
Make you talk first. After. What on the teach?
Okay, we teach radio and TV programs, filming.
Put your mouth in the microphone.
Filming programs.
Yeah.
We do radio, television. We do intensive programs and stuff. We do introduction of broadcasting. We do radio production. We do television production. We do film production. We do advanced topics, project work, introduction of broadcasting, radio production, television, all of that.
Now, since you don't talk like 3 times now.
All of that. So where be this center? Where be the
It's in
place?
Port Harcourt. Our center is at number 16 JP Crescent in Rumosi.
Rumosi. Okay, for our office.
Yeah.
From a man play the pigeon.
That's why we demolish.
Time no day.
Yeah, but then we have centers in America as well, and in South Africa, in Durban, to be precise. So we have
cold too much there.
It's not cold now, it's still friendly.
Okay.
But we have centers.
You have centers in America and in South Africa, Durban.
Not very Durban.
Not Durban.
The director of CEO of OneTV. Don't go hear his voice.
Nice one. Now that phone number, now you go just call again.
Okay, the number is 080
55
78
78 78 78.
Yeah, so
I think I don't get that way. So 080 55 78 78 78. So if you want to register to this one TV skills, you want get skills, you want acquire skills to make extra income for yourself, you go call that number and they go explain to you everything wey you need to do. Once again, the number na 08055787878. Thank you very much.
And the first 5 people that come, I'll sponsor them.
Oh, you sponsor 5 people wey first come. When I don hear 5 people wey first call to register, dem go sponsor you. Una thank you.
Make I no first. I saw it for Facebook. True. I dey feel am. Get things we do for this. So once you be man, you suppose change sex. Get things we do for head wey pass. We no fit understand.
Wetin be the thing wey you see?
Once you be man for your head, as you come out for road, they will call you.
Once you be man.
For man, correct man, not know this boy.
So call you. Call you say wetin?
Your wife will call you. Say never don't bring again. Say buy bread when they come back from road. Say buy egg when they come back. Gas don't finish. Kerosene self don't finish. Generator no green start. Buy fuel for generator when you are coming back. Car don't get flat tire. You no green start. School fees don't show. DST man go TV. Don't stop it, don't expire. They will begin report. The children no dey enter house.
Never tell you, Papa.
If you never been, landlord matter don't dey wait for you. Child.
To be a man.
To be a man.
To be a man is not
buy
the job.
Buy credit.
Yeah, our time don't reach them.
To be a man.
To be a man
is not a job.
You play not have like this pen. And you sing the
You just follow King Jaja.
I'm telling you.
We carry a whole big bag. You
don't have to sing that. Oh yeah,
to be a man. To be a man is not a job. What
be the chorus?
Yo.
Now so you be. Oh yeah,
to be a man. To be a man is not a day's job. Yo, now so you be.
Not finished. The song we don't even get. You don't even feel it. You need one simple.
You know what it is you. Lonely at the top.
I don't reach.
You lonely at the top because you go down top alone.
Carry the find. Till they find.
They say
carry people go. Not be lonely.
There's all this problem. Man don't get people.
I beg Port Harcourt people. Let me just quickly do this.
Our time gone.
On a sad note, my friend Mr. Shola Falusi, who losing a wife just 6 months. I want to say sorry to you, Mr. Shola Falusi. Your wife will be buried just now, 6 months after marriage. I want to say a very big sorry to you. Shola Falusi was our colleague in Cornerstone Insurance. Shola. That's Slim Shola.
Oh, you talk your own.
I want to say she will be buried by 10 o'clock at Port Harcourt Cemetery. Our friends, those that can join us, please meet us there now.
Oh, yeah, all right, this one now for our very good friend for town, Port Harcourt town, Samson Diamond, aka Hitman. Yeah, Hitman. Yeah, one time APC chairman for Kubolo.
They use motor hits.
No, pass on, no time.
They don't hit up too.
So
that's not hit up.
So the burial on this Saturday,
on
the 10th of
tomorrow
for your hometown for Kubolo there. So this one are from Dr. Abiy Tokri.
Okay, Samba's papa died.
Lecturer.
In Papa burial tomorrow for Abo. And at the same Abo way, our former executive director of projects NDDC, they watch Nigeria South Africa match.
You don't see a picture.
And then in the then they watch the match. You know, say
Nigeria
scored second goal before VAR come cancel and because of Mandela come give the penalty against us. As they scored that penalty, they just shout, "Joy!" And that was it.
That was the change. It changed to heaven.
This is a special advice. If you know say,
you know well.
You know.
No watch the Nigeria code.
No watch.
No watch.
Although we go win them 2-0 direct, we no play penalty. But no watch.
No watch if you know well.
In case you know well, if you want watch match, watch Chelsea. Because they must lose. Chelsea no need. So once the match starts, you know say Chelsea go lose.
The only thing
so they don't get big deal. I beg go.
The only thing I can advise you is say, listen for radio.
No, that was match.
So on the phone. I go to like, I said, what is this problem? I know say na tension, but we wey dey support Arsenal. No, but I know say that man Arsenal.
Wetin me dey do be say before I watch any match, I first dey play am for PlayStation. I go first play am for PS4. Make Nigeria beat City.
I beg o.
Somebody finally say that people wey dey bet. Na dem dey die.
Na lie, dey die.
Na true. When their money lost.
No. This one, you dey see say your sleep dey cut, so there's nothing to you. Go not say this sleep don dey cut.
Na im dey
You
give
understand? Because people wey play say Nigeria go win. That penalty, their sleep, they don't say this sleep don cut.
Time.
No,
But
no.
Nigeria still
So,
win now.
No. You know win for
So
regular time.
Nigeria no win.
And
Nigeria
the
no
same thing,
win.
win
So,
now.
if you get BP
Who dey
problem,
finance now?
if you get BP problem,
You fit bet say Nigeria go qualify. Different from Nigeria go win.
Win Nigeria no win.
if you get BP problem, then they watch. No watch on Sunday. Watch Chelsea match. Chelsea go lose. No need. So follow Chelsea. Chelsea go lose. No problem. So we no go get all this wahala. But man, give on my investment. Tomorrow, Man City versus Everton is my investment. I'm having a seminar very soon. Who go win? Man City win over 1.5. Please, if you better, help me give my commission.
Don't they get sign say you no go dey do all these things again?
For my investment.
Your hand dey cool sometimes.
No get attention.
Na the same thing.
Nigerian match.
No dey do all these things.
I'm not
Stop
going to
all
watch
these
Nigerian
things.
match.
You know what Nigerian match?
But
On
this-
Sunday no go watch.
But you see, this is my investment. Man City versus Everton. For Man City win over 1.5. Can you put 10,000 naira there? It go benefit you.
No benefit nothing. You go lose.
You get problem. Come dey go watch that kind of tension match. You want to kill yourself.
Sorry for the person.
Eh?
Sorry for the person.
I'm telling you, they play today like 3 billionaire. Now man don't old. No, that might be good.
Can you help me get it, John? John, please.
Close it, huh?
Yes.
The cold in here. Oh my God.
Sorry.
Jesus, you used to it already.
Studio. A very good morning to you. Here is the news update on today, 95.1 FM. I am Kelly Ikementima. The Nigeria Governors Forum, NGF, has met with the National Security Advisor, Nuhu Ribadu, to address the security situation in the country as well as the rising cost of food items. During the meeting that had a representative of the State Security Services, SSS, the governors agreed to support the National Security Advisor's Office in the states to enhance the nature and quality of intelligence. They also called for the reduction of foreign exchange demand by use of moral suasion to reduce dependence on foreign exchange, imported goods and services as a way of nipping